In this video, I'm going to show you how we're going to make this website go live. So we are going to go back in the HighLevel. In the sites area on the left-hand side, I'm going to go to WordPress. From there, I'm going to click these three dots and I'll click on Manage Website. From the home on the dash, I will scroll down to manage my domain. I'm going to add a domain just by clicking here. And I'm going to put my domain name right here. And because I'm using GoDaddy, I can use auto configure. If I need to add it manually, I can click add manually and follow the directions in there. I'm going to click auto configure and it's going to start setting up my domain with the DNS records. I'll authorize it. It'll open up a GoDaddy window and I'll click connect and hit close. And then it'll give me a dialog saying that my domain has been added successfully, and I'll go back to the WordPress info. And then I scroll down and I make sure that it is verified. Now here it still says that this is my primary domain. If I go to Brighter Idea Multimedia, it is not going to show. So what I'll do is I'll click on these three dots and I'll set this as my primary domain. Go back to the link, hit refresh, and the website will load. Now, sometimes this can take a little while because it has to establish an SSL, and it also has to work with the cache of whoever is your internet provider. So give it a moment. Sometimes it takes a little while. You might want to grab a cup of coffee and come back, and it should be ready to boot up. Now, after you've done that, you're going to go back to the settings because you're not done just yet. You're going to click on WP Admin again. And you're going to go back into settings, and this is super important. You must make sure that you do this. You click on reading and make sure that the search engine visibility is unchecked. That way, Google can index you. And now you have a live WordPress website online.